All right, the update coming across from the Budgam encounter that was reported earlier. It was being said that one terrorist has been eliminated, but we are getting to know that the second terrorist who had escaped from the encounter site has now been nabbed. He's now been arrested in Crewe, where a pistol and a grenade has also been recovered from his possession. The truck driver, we are getting to know, has also been taken into custody there. So this is a successful operation being carried out by our security forces. Let's play out from reactions that are coming across from Budgam.
विलेज में दो टेररिस्ट छिपे हुए हैं, तो पुलिस आर्मी सीआरपी मिलकर कॉर्डन डाला। कॉर्डन डालते ही फायरिंग आया। बाद में अपील किया गया सरेंडर करने के लिए, तो मिलिटेंट सरेंडर नहीं किया और दौरान इनकाउंटर एक टेररिस्ट मारे गए जो गोरीपुर अवंतीपुर का है, एलईटी से वास्ता रखता है और उसका नाम साकिब डार है। उसके बाद उसके पास से कुछ डायरी मिला। डायरी को जब हम लोग पढ़ें तो पता चला कि उसमें एक दूसरा मिलिटेंट है, कहाँ छिपा उसमें लिखा हुआ था। उसके बाद हम लोग वहाँ पर रेड मारे तो वहाँ से पता चला कि एक ट्रक में वहाँ से भागा है। तो बाद में पुलिस आर्मी गई, उस मिलिटेंट को भी जो शबीर नज़ार है एलईटी का, उसको पकड़ लिया। उसके पास एक पिस्टल मिला है, एक ग्रेनेड मिला है और ड्राइवर को हम लोग डिटेन कर लिए। इंट्रोगेशन चल रहा है।
Going across to Zeenat for a quick update. Zeenat, what we are getting to know that the affiliation of this terrorist is now being linked to the Lashkar-e-Toiba. One terrorist who has been killed and the second one who has now been taken into custody.
Oh yes, Amita, one more terrorist who had escaped from the encounter site in Motu, Budgam, has been apprehended by Jammu Kashmir police in Crewe, Pampore area. He was travelling in a truck. Now that the truck terrorists who have been arrested by the Jammu Kashmir police, but the terrorists who have been arrested is from LET, and one pistol and also grenade have been recovered from his possession. If we talk about the Motu encounter, one terrorist was early morning neutralized by the Jammu Kashmir police along with the Indian Army. There, one AK-47 long with pistol was recovered. So we can say overall the operation has been successful because there has not been any collateral damage in this very encounter.
All right, Zeenat, thanks very much for joining in with those latest updates.